I received 4 job offers yesterday. How did I do that? I will tell you in this video. We are starting right now. Yesterday I had a really long and productive day. I received 4 job offers. I don't know how it happens. Actually, to be honest, guys, I don't like this thing. When you do freelancing, so sometimes you have nothing, and sometimes you receive like 10 offers per day. I've never received 10, but yesterday I received 4, and that's quite a lot. The thing is that the first client, she's from the United Kingdom, and she needs to, it's an educational project. She has that educational platform Moodle, and she needs to get it fixed. She needs to implement Telegram chats, messages, reports, front-end, database reports, and like lots of different stuff. It's quite hard because dealing with like female clients is just a pain in the ass. I've spent already like one day just reading her stuff, writing down notes, and preparing the software specification. Software specification, guys, this is really important. The cost of that project is going to be $3,000. I'm not going to develop it myself. I just physically have no time for that. And to be honest, I have absolutely no inspiration about digging those Moodle platforms, like discovering what the hell is going on in it. I don't need that. I have other developers in my team that are going to take care of that. Then I received another invitation from it was from Southern America. It was from what was the name of that country? Argentina. There is a guy, and he is interested in developing high-frequency trading robot. This is quite interesting, you know. It's a big project, and he has lots of ideas, lots of information, lots of things to be implemented. I told him that I'm not going to be able to take care of his project if the budget is less than $2,500 or $3,000. And he was that's like he's comfortable with the project if the price will be about around $2,500. That's fine. This is invitation number 2, and I'm growing my business, so I'm opening other directions, other things, other niches. And actually, I was hanging out there at the office of my friend with whom we are going to do this merchant accounts and stuff like that. And oh my God, these Lamborghinis are so loud. I was hanging out in that at the office together with my friend, and then he's another friend who is in charge with this business came to the same office and told me that he needs me to develop their application, because they have several applications, and he needs them to be synchronized. And he just told me that, like, I'm going to be doing that. He didn't even ask me that, like, do I have time for that? And I told him, like, dude, not a big deal. So of course, it's going to be a pleasure to work on this application. It's quite interesting, you know. And these things aren't related to stock market or trading bots at all. So this is the invitation number 3, and the invitation number 4. That invitation actually is just that particular Upwork offer is full of shit, because there was a guy, he doesn't really understand what's going on. He was willing to pay, but he needed some weird mathematical stuff. He needed to calculate the formula for mining Bitcoin and like other resources and stuff like that. There is a huge technical specification of what he needed. It's about like 12 pages, and he wanted to pay for that stuff about $1,000. I told him that, dude, I'm not interested at all. I don't even want to negotiate developing the same shit with my team. This is just not my type, absolutely. I would say if you calculate the project number 1, the project number 2, and the project number 3, it's about, let's say it's 5. Like it, let's roughly. Damn, it's so windy. I need to cover this microphone. It's not going to work. I believe the sound is going to be really, really bad. If you estimate these 3 projects, the total revenue, the total turnover of this project is going to be equal about 5,000. No, wait a second. It's going to be $7,500. Not too bad. I'm glad that I'm going to be able to keep on the same speed, because if I receive the same amount of leads every day, I'm gonna stop coding at all. And finally this is happening, you know. I'm glad. Damn, it's so windy. I'm glad it's happening. And this is the end of the video. This is what I wanted to share with you guys with this video. If you were interested, I really appreciate your time and effort spent watching me talking about different things. If you are interested, please let me know in the comments below what's your opinion about it. And actually, if you have any questions, just post them. I will try to answer them or to even record a separate video for them. I'll see you later.